All right, the number one rule in home repair is safety. If we're gonna rewire a major appliance, we gotta cut the electricity off, all right? Come on out here. There. That is the fuse box. The electrical nerve center of our house.
Wow.
You're darn right, wow. But now we don't have to cut off all the electricity, just the section of the house we're working on. That'd be the kitchen. Up there, kitchen. Well, I shouldn't have labeled those in pencil, should I? They're all faded and everything. Look. Well, kitchen's K. Yeah, it's that kitchen. There we go. All right, Hank the handyman. Come on, let's go. We gotta take off that access panel. All right. Whoa! Look at all the wires in there.
You don't want all those wires too?
Yeah, of course. I wouldn't have taken it off if I didn't. Ground. We're looking at ground. Now, red is all red. Yellow, see? The sun is yellow. It heats the ground. That's how they name stuff. Is that car running? Ah! Whew, shake it off.
Are you all right, Dad?
Yeah. I did that to teach you an important lesson.
What's that, Dad?
Well, when you work with electricity, it's a good idea to shut it all off. Now, follow me upstairs and I'll show you how to treat a severe electrical burn.